And this is what Southwest Nigeria looks like after 60 years of independence. Is KOIKIMEDIA, and as you can see, where our community have become a no-go area due to the fact that Fulani have become terrorizing those that are living peacefully in each of this community. And as this is just one of the incident that took place between Sunday to Monday, the 9th of March 2021, where 4 people were killed by the Fulani terrorists in this part of this community. And as you can see, the blood is still there. This is KOIKIMEDIA once again, and these are still fresh blood from what you're looking at. Once again, we ask, why have we got to this stage that we are not comfortable living within our community? And this is KOIKIMEDIA, where we are bringing these reports live straight to you today, and we will continue to update more. KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.